Print like a pro anywhere you go. This pocket-sized beast might just replace your office. Forget clunky printers and jam trays, the Canon PIXMA TR150 is your freedom pass to wireless, portable, professional printing. We're talking compact enough to slide into your backpack, light enough not to break your shoulder, and powerful enough to pump out high-quality flyers, contracts, and color photos from literally anywhere. Whether you're grinding from home, a hotel room, or an Uber between meetings, this jet-setter's dream printer prints on your terms. With seamless Wi-Fi and USB connectivity, you can ditch the wires and office drama. Your new mobile office fits in your bag. You know those moments when you need to print now, and your only printer is 7 zip codes away? Not anymore. The PIXMA TR150 doesn't just travel, it hustles. With up to 9 pages per minute, monochrome, and 5.5 ppm in color, it's fast enough for real work, and smart enough to store up to 5 custom templates for one-tap reprints. The 1.44-inch OLED screen makes operation a breeze, and the interface is so intuitive, even your grandma could fax from it if it had a fax. Spoiler: it doesn't, because it's cooler than that. Let's talk flexibility. With the optional LK72 battery pack, you can print with 0 outlets, aka Ultimate Freedom Mode. Expect up to 3 weeks of battery life on moderate use, even longer on standby. Need to blast out real estate contracts, travel itineraries, invoices, or borderless vacation snaps in full color? It does it all, clean, sharp, and professional looking. Cloud ready? You bet. Mobile device printing? Of course. Anti-theft locking slot? Yup, this thing even protects itself. Compared to those clunky $400 compact machines that choke on staples and look like 2003 relics, this baby is sleek, whisper quiet, and battle-tested by road warriors. Customers rave about its reliability, ease of use, and how quickly it sets up: Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, you name it. You'll also save serious coin. The ink is affordable and widely available, Canon 35 or 36, and the performance per ounce is just chef's kiss. It's a business expense you won't regret. So, is it worth it? Heck yeah! It's not just a printer, it's a reliable sidekick for entrepreneurs, creatives, and on-the-go hustlers. While others are still stuck emailing PDFs and begging FedEx to stay open, you're out here closing deals on the beach, printing resumes in coffee shops, or selling art in real time. Canon PIXMA TR150 doesn't just print, it upgrades your workflow, lifestyle, and hustle. Ready to stop waiting and start printing wherever the heck you are?